So what's up, guys? How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing a harness bar I picked up from somebody. It was a good, decent price I picked it up for. So I'm gonna show you how to install this inside your S13. Should be fairly easy. And then I gotta get everything else together from there. What else I need to get as far as interior wise. But I gotta take off first these quarter panels so I can drill like a little hole, because I still want my interior in my car when I go to do this setup. So that was the whole point of me doing the harness bar. I seen where everybody took off the interior piece right there and they never put it back on. But I'm gonna cut a little hole in there, probably a little slat for it to bolt up and we can still use it. So on that further notice, let's get started on. Alright guys, so since I got you in the car with me, I'm going to show you how to take this off. So you want to take two hands and gently pry it back, just shake it a little bit. Now, I believe it would be a screw right here, and it's a screw right here, but it's been removed. So let me take it off gently, because these are like old clips, y'all. And as you can see, when I did a dashboard, it's easy for it to break. So where it's supposed to link up at would be right here with this bolt. Okay, so yeah, it would be a bolt that would really go in right here, and I have to find a bolt that goes in right here. So when I find that bolt, I'll let you guys know. So I found the bolt, and that's supposed to go right there. This basically supposed to hold the seatbelt bracket that goes right in here, and it goes up, and it's supposed to wind over and down and all that good stuff. It's like a little motor track. Got that at the house, so I'm not going to currently use that. I'm probably going to put that up for sale too. Anybody that needs that, hit me up in the DMs for the seatbelt bracket. It's all there. But anyway, moving forward, so that's the little bolt. What I'm going to do is now is, let me see, yeah, okay, so since it's sticking out, I'm going to take some tape, put it on the back here, and I'm going to put some take some tape, put it on the back there, and then take some black gasket maker, put it on the end of this so I know where to cut when I go to put this back on there. Okay, so I didn't use the tape, I just put the black gasket stuff on the bolt. Now I'm getting ready to put it up to this, and we're gonna find out where we gotta put the hole at. Okay, so that's strange. Maybe I should have tested one side out. Okay, so I dabbed the thing. The hole is like right below this. So I got a little sawzall. I'm gonna take it and cut out the little hole, and we'll go from there. If I'm not mistaken, once I cut the hole out, I'm gonna go ahead and match it up to it and see how it looks. And I might have to cut out a little bit more than just that hole, because the way I see it, it's supposed to be flat. It's gonna be flat against it, so I might have to cut from right there from that hole and then make it like another square. But so I have the tool that's we're gonna use to cut. I'm gonna go a little bit downward with it. Alright guys, oh, wish me luck. Bam, solid cut. Alright, now let's bring it over here. Alright, so it might be a dilemma. So I went, cut out and traced that little stencil over there for that. I'm about to take the marker now and copy what's on this stencil onto this. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. Let's see, the hole's right there. So let's go about like that far over from the hole. Bam. So what I am going to do now is clean this up a little bit, mask it off. We're going to go smaller in and work our way out. Okay, so what I'm getting ready to do now, I'm going to cut the shape out of this, and then I'm going to try to put it up to the car. Got the Drinium, got my mask, let's go. Cut the hole out, it matches flat, so what I'm going to do now is take off and clean it up. Okay, so that's one side. I gotta do the other side. It's the same process. I'll cut you guys back on when I get that side done. So as you can see, I got it set up enough for me to hook the panels back up, and we should be good to go. It's basically like all bolted in. Hold up. Alright, so just want to let you guys know I got the harness bar in, but I couldn't run the plastic pieces on here. I have to figure out how to do that. Probably got to cut them a little bit more, but we'll do that when we get down to it next time. And on that note, you guys take care, love, peace. I got everything packed away in the car. I'm moving it outside and getting ready for something else great. So, see y'all guys on the next episode of Low&Slow Garage. Deuces.